The business strategies that built the world's greatest companies are rapidly becoming obsolete. What if your company's most valuable employee wasn't a person, but an algorithm? What if your most innovative product wasn't designed by a human, but was generated by a machine? We are living through a technological revolution as profound and disruptive as the invention of the internet. This time, it's not just changing how we connect with the world. It's changing how we think. This is the age of artificial intelligence, and it is rewriting the rules of business, forever. For centuries, business strategy has been the art of making smart decisions with limited information. Leaders relied on their experience, their intuition, and their analysis of the available data to navigate the complex landscape of the market. Strategy was a human endeavor. Artificial intelligence fundamentally changes this equation. AI can process information at a scale and speed that is physically impossible for the human brain. It can identify subtle patterns in trillions of data points. It can predict future outcomes with increasing accuracy. And it can automate complex decisions in real time. AI is not just another tool, like a spreadsheet or a database that helps us do our work. It is a foundational layer that is beginning to do the work, and the thinking, for us. So, how is this powerful new force reshaping the very DNA of business strategy? Beyond the hype and the headlines, what are the concrete ways AI is creating new winners and losers in the corporate world? And how is it fundamentally changing the definition of competitive advantage itself? That's the question we're answering today. For 100 years, marketing and product strategy were built on a simple idea: the average customer. Companies grouped people into broad segments, like males, aged 18 to 35, or urban professionals, and designed products and marketing campaigns for these generic personas. The problem, of course, is that no one is truly average. This approach was always a blurry and inefficient compromise, a consequence of not having enough data or processing power to treat customers as individuals. AI obliterates the average. It enables a new strategic paradigm, hyper-personalization at a scale of 1. Machine learning algorithms can now analyze a staggering amount of data in real time. Your past purchases, your browsing history, the shows you watch, the music you listen to, even how you move your mouse across a web page. It uses this data to build a unique profile for every single user. The most famous example is Netflix. Netflix doesn't just have a few genres. Its AI has classified its content into over 80,000 microgenres or alt-genres. It doesn't just recommend dramas to you. It recommends critically acclaimed emotional dramas featuring a strong female lead. It even personalizes the thumbnail artwork for the same movie or show, testing which image you, specifically, are most likely to click on. Another example is the online styling service Stitch Fix. It's not just an e-commerce company. It's a data science company that happens to sell clothes. Its AI algorithms analyze your style preferences, your feedback, and even your Pinterest boards to predict which articles of clothing you will love. This AI doesn't replace the human stylist. It acts as their superpower, providing data-driven recommendations that a human could never uncover on their own. The strategic shift is profound. We are moving from broadcasting one message to millions of people, to having a unique, one-to-one conversation with millions of individual customers, simultaneously. For decades, the goal of operational strategy was optimization. Think of the Toyota production system or Six Sigma. These were brilliant frameworks for making human-led processes like manufacturing and logistics as efficient as possible. But human processes have a hard ceiling. They are prone to error, they are slow to adapt, and they cannot see the future. AI shatters this ceiling. It allows for a new level of operational excellence through intelligent automation and predictive operations. AI can monitor real-time data from every corner of a business: supply chains, factory floors, customer service calls, energy grids, and make automated, optimized decisions that are beyond human capability. Look inside an Amazon fulfillment center. It is a symphony of AI and robotics. AI algorithms predict what customers in a specific city are likely to order before they click buy, and proactively move that inventory to a nearby warehouse. Inside the warehouse, AI plots the most efficient path for thousands of robots to navigate the floor, retrieve items, and bring them to human packers. This system has reduced the click-to-ship time from hours to minutes. Or consider predictive maintenance. Companies like General Electric now embed thousands of sensors in their jet engines. AI systems analyze the constant stream of data from these sensors, temperature, vibration, pressure, to predict when a specific part is likely to fail before it breaks. This allows airlines to schedule maintenance proactively, preventing catastrophic failures, saving billions in costs, and making air travel safer. The strategy here shifts from being reactive, fixing problems after they happen, to being proactive and predictive. This creates a level of operational efficiency so high that non-AI-powered competitors simply cannot keep up. Historically, business models were based on the creation and sale of products and services made by human minds and human hands. The process of creating something new, whether it was a piece of software, a new drug, or a marketing campaign, was slow, expensive, and purely human-driven. Generative AI changes this. This new class of AI doesn't just analyze data, it creates new things. It can generate stunningly coherent text, images, and computer code, unlocking entirely new business models. In software development, tools like GitHub's Copilot, which is powered by OpenAI's models, act as an AI partner for programmers. It suggests lines of code and even entire functions in real time, dramatically accelerating the development process. This allows a small team of engineers to build complex software at a speed that previously required a large corporation. Perhaps most profoundly, generative AI is transforming industries like drug discovery. Traditionally, discovering a new drug is a decade-long, billion-dollar gamble. Companies like In Silico Medicine are now using generative AI to design novel molecules from scratch and predict their effectiveness against diseases like cancer. This has the potential to compress the research and development timeline from years down to months, completely revolutionizing the business model of the entire pharmaceutical industry. The strategic implication is that AI is no longer just a tool for optimization. It is becoming an engine for creation. Let's connect all the dots. AI is not an incremental improvement. It is a seismic shift that is simultaneously transforming the three core pillars of business strategy. It moves us from mass marketing to one-to-one hyper-personalization. It evolves our operations from reactive problem-solving to proactive, predictive optimization. And it expands our business models from being purely human-created to being AI-generated. And that is the secret. The true impact of AI on strategy is that it is shifting the primary source of competitive advantage away from traditional assets and toward data and intelligence. In the 20th century, the most powerful companies were those that owned the most factories, the most oil fields, or the most retail stores. In the age of AI, the most powerful and dominant companies will be the ones that possess the largest, most proprietary datasets and the most intelligent algorithms to learn from them. Your data, and your company's ability to learn from it at scale, is now your single most valuable strategic asset. If this look into the future of strategy is reshaping your thinking, help our channel evolve by hitting that like button and subscribing for more. Companies that successfully integrate AI into their core strategy create a powerful, compounding advantage known as a data flywheel. It works like this: a great product attracts more users. More users generate more data. More data makes the AI model smarter. A smarter AI improves the product, making it even more personalized, efficient, and valuable. This, in turn, attracts even more users. This virtuous cycle creates an almost unassailable competitive moat. The longer the flywheel spins, the faster it goes, and the further ahead the company pulls from its competitors. The broader business principle here is a masterclass in the power of accelerated learning loops. All successful complex systems, from biological evolution to human expertise, are built on feedback loops of action, outcome, and learning. AI allows businesses to build and accelerate these learning loops at a massive, inhuman scale. The ultimate lesson is that in the age of AI, the companies that win will not be the ones with the most detailed 5-year plan. The winners will be the companies that can learn the fastest. Strategy is no longer a static roadmap to be followed. It is a dynamic engine for learning. If you learn something new, hit the like button and subscribe for more strategy breakdowns. And let us know in the comments, what company's strategy should we unlock next?